Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Verlinda from Make Money Online. Before that, we are going to my topic. Kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the video updates. If you have a time, kindly visit also my social media above my videos like Twitter, Facebook, another website and Pinterest. Thank you. Okay guys, we are talking about Rewardical reviews or how to earn Rewardical or tokens. Earn Rewardicals while you shop, eat, play online games and more. Learn more. Earn great rewards now easier than ever. With Rewardical, you don't need to carry another card and you don't need another app. Just do your thing, whether that's shopping, dining out, or playing online games. Free Rewardical tokens are awarded to you automatically or with a quick, easy online claim form. Then redeem your tokens whenever you want for a variety of cool products under irresistible goodies including cash, gift cards, silver bullion, Bitcoin, and more. Get started with 25 free tokens. We know you're going to love Rewardical, but we can't resist adding a little icing to the cake. That's why, just for signing up, we're going to immediately drop 25 free Rewardical tokens in your member account. No cost, no obligation, and no strings attached. P.S. After you've joined, you can earn unlimited additional free tokens by telling your friends about this special offer. Rewardical is a new kind of loyalty program that will help you generate new sales and widen your customer base, incentivize repeat sales from existing customers, bolster and strengthen customer loyalty. We get you orders or you pay nothing. Not only can Rewardical help you thrive and grow, it's free to join. And the ongoing cost is as little as just 0.05 per dollar on all orders generated. And that's for guaranteed orders. You pay nothing unless we're generating orders for you. So there's zero risk. There's also no ongoing obligation, no contracts, and no gotcha fine print. We get your orders or you pay nothing. It's truly that simple. Rewardical is also the easiest loyalty program ever. Great for your business even. If you already have an existing loyalty program, by the way, getting started basically requires submitting your website URL and choosing a participation rate. Our simple rewards claim system then tracks all orders, presents you with a list of orders for you to verify, and delivers all earned Rewardicals directly to your customer on your behalf. Remember, if we don't get your orders, there is no cost. Start free today, and your first 1,000 Rewardicals are on us. Yes, sign up today free and begin enjoying all the powerful benefits listed above immediately. And to really sweeten the pot, the first 1,000 Rewardicals earned by your customers are on us. That is, you can join today and start generating new customers and new sales, and it won't cost you anything. If after 1,000 Rewardicals you're not totally delighted, just walk away. No questions asked, but with our sincere thanks for giving the Rewardical loyalty program a look. Here's one more big reason to join today. We currently have 8.5 million members worldwide. As a new merchant in the Rewardical network, your e-commerce site will automatically be promoted to our most active members, highlighted as a new seller in our search engine, and more. That it is all about, guys, about Rewardicals. If you want more information, kindly read the description and click the link below. Thank you. Okay guys, that it is all about my video, and don't forget to click the subscribe button for updates about all the latest videos of our channel, and press the bell icon and never miss a single notification from us. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.